Are you looking for a high-protein WLS meal plan with macros, the proteins, carbs, and fats that are more aligned with your wellness and WLS goals? Here is a sample of a new high-protein WLS diet to give a try, or maybe add some of the dishes to your already existing meal plan. Each meal is based on at least a 1,000 calorie daily intake and will have 90 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, and 40 grams of fat. For breakfast, soft scrambled eggs with cottage cheese. Total macros: protein, 22 grams, carbs, 4 grams, fat, 12 grams, calories, 230. 2 eggs, 12 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat. A quarter cup cottage cheese, 10 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, and 4 grams of carbs. Snack 1. Greek yogurt and berries. The macros are 15 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat. 130 calories. This is an easy make no bake snack. Half a cup plain Greek yogurt, 12 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat. For sweetness, add a quarter cup mashed berries, 4 grams of carbs. Lunch: a slow-cooked chicken with broth and avocado. The macros for this meal are protein, 30 grams, carbs, 10 grams, fat, 15 grams, and calories, 330. 3 ounces shredded chicken breast, 26 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, 1/4 avocado, 3 grams of fat, and 3 grams of carbs. Half a cup low-sodium broth 0G protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fat. A quarter cup steamed soft zucchini, 2 grams of carbs. Snack 2. Tuna salad with whole wheat crackers. Macros: protein, 18 grams carbs, 10 grams fat, 7 grams calories, 200. 1/2 can tuna, 14 grams protein, 1 gram of fat. 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt are 2 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 1 gram of carbs. 3 whole wheat crackers, 7 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein. Dinner: blended lentil soup. Macros: protein, 10 grams carbs, 16 grams fat, 3 grams, and calories, 160. Half a cup cooked lentils, 9 grams of protein, 14 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat. Half a cup vegetable broth, 1 gram of protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fat. Subscribe for more at Brown Bear Life Wellness and Health Journey videos. Don't forget to like and comment with your favorite high-protein meals and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.